This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before investing. Meet Marcus, 30 years old, regular job, and exactly $50 a month he can invest. Not 50,000, just 50. In June 2020, Marcus made a simple decision. He opened a Fidelity account and started investing $50 every month into Coca-Cola stock, ticker symbol KO. Why Coca-Cola? 3 reasons. First, Coca-Cola has been selling drinks since 1886. Through recessions, wars, and pandemics, people never stopped buying it. Second, Coca-Cola is a dividend king. They have raised their dividend every single year for 62 years straight. Not once did they cut it. Third, Warren Buffett bought Coca-Cola stock in 1988. He has never sold a single share. Marcus also turned on DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Every time Coca-Cola paid him a dividend, instead of cash sitting idle, it automatically bought him more shares. Dividends buying shares. Those shares paying more dividends. The snowball effect. So what happened over 6 years? In 2020, KO traded around $46. His $50 bought just over 1 share per month. In 2022, the S&P 500 crashed 20%. Coca-Cola dropped only 5%. Marcus kept buying while others panicked. By 2024, his quarterly dividends had grown to $31, all automatically reinvested. May 2026. Here are the final numbers. Total cash invested, $3,600. Portfolio value today, approximately $5,200. Total gain, plus $1,600, or 44%. Shares owned, approximately 70, including 12 free DRIP shares he never paid for. Annual dividend income, approximately $148 per year. How does this compare to SPY, the S&P 500 ETF? Same $50 monthly, same period. SPY would be worth around $6,500, a higher total return. But KO pays $148 per year in dividends versus $58 from SPY. And KO dropped only 5% in 2022 versus 20% for SPY. SPY wins on total return. KO wins on passive income and stability. Both are valid. They just do different things. 3 lessons. Consistency beats cleverness. $50 every month without exception. Turn $3,600 into $5,000. DRIP is a silent wealth machine. Reinvested dividends created 12 free shares compounding quietly. And boring wins long term. No drama, no hot takes, just steady income every quarter. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only. Numbers are estimates based on historical data. Your results will vary. Investing carries risk. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Next video, what happens when Marcus doubles to $100 a month? Subscribe so you do not miss it.